Morning, you lovely people. I'm on holiday at the minute, so it's Sunday the 31st of July, and whilst I should be asleep, I know there's a car boot about, and I woke up not super early, but about 6:30ish. When you know there's a car boot about and you're awake, you kind of got to go. So I'm in a place called Osmington, quite close to Weymouth, and there's a car boot at a local town called Dorchester, or I think it's a little city actually. Anyway, Dorchester's less than 10 miles away, so I'm gonna go and have a look at the car boot sale. Gonna be a bit different to normal because I don't have all my normal gear, don't have a lot in the way of bags, I don't have a lot in the way of cash. I don't know if there are cash machines about. I hadn't planned this. This is just sort of spur of the moment. Last night I thought, oh, what's going on around here? So I've got £42 in cash. That's all I've got. So yeah, may not be able to get in a lot. Also, because we're on holiday and we've only got the car, that means limited space. I can't get anything big, can't get anything heavy, because A, may not be able to get it back, B, my wife might kill me. So yeah, we shall see. So yeah, hopefully this will lead to some sort of miniature haul video, but yeah, we shall see. Car boot done. Very successful. Considering I'm on holiday and shouldn't have bought anything big or heavy, bought something big and heavy, so gonna hide it and hopefully my wife won't see. But I'm on holiday, I should be out enjoying myself, and I am enjoying myself. I went to a car boot sale, of course I did, but if I can make money at the same time, the haul this morning, I bought 3 items, not a lot, but I reckon I'll get somewhere between 130 quid and 180 quid maybe, roughly. So I guess I should give you a breakdown. So first item I bought was some sunglasses. Now, these don't look anything special at all. I don't even know if they're fashionable anymore. I always thought the bigger the lenses, the more fashionable. However, turn that to the side and you can see these are Dior. So these are genuine Dior. They are very, very well made. Need a little bit of a polish up. I've got a polishing wheel which I can use for polishing up plastics and acetate, so that's no problem. 50p for the glasses, or 75p if it included the case. Now, I don't know if it's the original case or not, but it's got Dior on it. Basically, it was an older lady, and she had basically a basket full of sunglasses. All of them were like unbranded or Boots or Specsavers type stuff. Same with the cases, and I found this Dior one in between. So 75p out, and I've had a quick look. I need to do some more investigation, but it's at least 25 quid. But that's me just having a very, very quick look. Obviously, different styles will command different returns. I personally, at the moment, I don't think that's a particularly en vogue style. I don't think it's going to fetch you a lot of money, but 75p at £25, that ain't bad. So, second item, managed to find a shirt. Now, it is a rather boring kind of country style-y checked shirt, but this is by Harkila. Harkila shirts, they're kind of your country work inspired style shirt. The guy said he'd bought it, didn't fit, never worn it, and I paid £5 for it. New, they're somewhere between 60 and 75 quid. I've had a look, comps seem to go for around 30 to 35. So again, £5 into 35 after fees. I've done quite well. So far, we spent under £6, and we're going to be getting back close to 50, 60 quid. That's not bad so far. So they're my 2 smaller lightweight items. I don't know if I can actually be getting this one out. It's a bit big and heavy. So basically, you can see how dusty it is. I'm not going to get it out. It is one of those video DVD Freeview boxes. So basically you can record from Freeview onto DVD, record from Freeview onto VHS, or you can transfer your VHS tapes onto DVD. So this is a Toshiba DVR 20KB. It's a house clearance guy. I asked if he had the remote. He said he did not have the remote. He said I'd give it a tenner with a remote, 7 without. If I had the remote, 7 without. I had a wander to go and check comps, and it was worth it. So I bought it. I offered 5. He said I'd take 6, so we're good. So all in, £6 for that. Needs to get all the dust out of it, so I need to give it a good old clean. 10 minutes. So 10-minute clean, as long as that is working, that is £6 into about 70. Again, not bad, tenfold at least, so we're good on that. However, with the remote, they seem to go for 130 upwards. Again, depending on condition. Some people are offering warranties and that, which I don't do that sort of stuff. But the remotes, you can pick them up for about 12 quid, 10 to 12 quid. So if I do get a remote, let's say it's a tenner, £10 remote plus that £6 machine, so we're what, £16 all in, and I could potentially get £150, 129, 150. That is not bad. So that is my morning's work. We're going to the cinema tonight because we're on our holiday, so we're going to take the kids out. We're going to go and hopefully watch Top Gun Maverick. So I'm just going to pop into Tesco's and get some cinema snacks because I am not paying cinema snack prices. If I can get them in there, I'm going to save myself another tenner, so that's all good. Other than that, I mean, it's for me, I do enjoy the thrifting, I do enjoy the car boots, but I'm on holiday. I'm going to be spending money. We're doing a self-catering thing. We're out we're in Dorset in a place called Osmington, so it's about a 20-minute walk down to the beach. I say beach, it's a rocky beach, but there's sort of nice pub down there and that sort of stuff. But I just went and did the food shop, and again, because we're on holiday and we're in self-catering, I thought, right, rather than getting the normal stuff, let's go and get a little bit nicer stuff. We're on holiday, so steaks and prawns and what have you. So the weekly, well, the food shop I did there was like 160 quid. So the reality is I can I can cover the vast majority of that with these 3 items. And I hadn't planned on really going to a car boot, but this morning I thought if I wake up, didn't set an alarm, if I wake up before 7, I'll pop along. And I wake up at 6:30, right, quick shower, coffee, get down to this car boot, and it might only be 3 items, but well worth it. And that takes a massive chunk of the cost of the holiday out. So yeah, really good morning. So I guess the moral of the story is there's always money to be made, whatever you're doing, wherever you are. Just keep an open mind, and yeah, things will come to you if you look for the right bits. Anyway, right, I've got to pop off because I've got stuff to do. Well, I haven't, I'm on holiday. Right, I'm actually back from our holiday now. As you can see, I'm a little bit browner. Also, got a nice little injury as well. Don't need to know about that. I fell, I'm old, it hurts. Anyway, as well as the handful of items I picked up at the car boot, on the way home we came back via Salisbury. So I wanted to break up the trip back by having lunch in Salisbury, having a bit of a wander, going to have a look at Salisbury Cathedral. And just before going back to the car park, I had 7 minutes left before we ran out of car parking time. And our car park was very close to a street which had a load of charity shops in. I had 7 minutes, so I went into the nearest charity shop and I picked up, I looked around, couldn't see a lot. With 7 minutes I thought, right, have a look at the hard goods, skip through coats and jumpers because they're usually quite expensive, and then I went to shoes. And in the men's shoes, I had to wait for someone else who was looking at stuff, a little bit of social distancing. I found these. So, what have I got here? These aren't just any old boots. These are, see if you can see the tag there, this way, if that's focused, Belstaff. So, recently I bought myself a present with reselling money, profits. and that was to get myself a new wax jacket. And I was looking at barbers and I was looking at bell staffs, and bell staff was on sale and it was only £50 more than the barber excuse me, that I was originally looking at. So even on sale it was still £279, so it's a fair chunk to pay on a coat, but it should last me for 10 years, so that's fine. That should give you an idea of how much Belstaff stuff costs. These are a good quality solid leather boots, rear zip access, 2 ankle straps, leather sole, Blake stitched with a rubber pad, and then you can see there's minimal heel wear as well. Don't know if that's going to focus. So these literally need a quick clean, nourish and polish, so I would say that's going to take me 10 minutes if that. They're asking £15. £15 sounds like a fair bit to invest in a pair of shoes, but these are Belstaffs, so even used, once I've cleaned them and polished them, they'll probably be one of the best looking ones in the market as a used pair. They vary somewhere between 85 and 130 quid. I will push at the upper end of that because mine will look the best. That's just how it's going to be. So yeah, our little family week away down in Osmington, so it's a 15-minute drive from Weymouth. I've come back with 4 items, and they are pretty much all bangers. Yeah, so I've done really well. It doesn't offset much towards the cost of the holiday, but it has an impact. It has a genuine impact. So, you know, you can build this into weekends away. If you're going away, whether it's on your own or with a spouse, partner, whatever, go away, go and do the sights and scenery and whatever else. Stop in at a couple of charity shops or a car boot when you're there, and you can potentially pay a big chunk of your holiday trip. So these boots alone, they could potentially pay for an entire tank of fuel. A couple of years ago that might not have sounded like a lot, but potentially it's over 120 quid now. So yeah, quite a significant chunk if you know what you're looking for and you are smart with your buying. So anyway, that's it from me, but I just thought I'd give you a little update. So yeah, week away, and was it 4 items? Yeah, whatever, a couple of items bought, and I've done very, very well, so very happy. Right, latest potatoes.